Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
Well, prior to this latest round of wet weather, we were on track to be the 5th wettest year since records have been kept at Bradley International. And as of the rain that has fallen so far in the last 24 hours at Bradley, we have now moved into the number 3 position and less than 2 inches away from moving into the number 1 spot. And you can see, generally speaking, across the state, we've seen upwards of 1 inch to 2 inches throughout a majority of the state. Over 1 inch and 3/4 in Norwalk, about the same for Wallingford, over 1.5 inches for West Hartford, also for Hamden, nearly 1.5 inches from Glastonbury, also from Wethersfield. Nearly 1 1/3 inches of rain. And Torrington around 1 inch, but over 1 inch and 1/8 in New Haven, and basically the same for Bridgeport, 1.5 inches even for Groton, and over 1 inch for Willimantic. So a substantial amount of rain. We still have the entire month of December to go before we wrap up the year, of course, so it'll be interesting to see how things play out when it comes to that record for wettest years. Temperatures here within the noon hour range from the upper 30s in northern and northwest Connecticut to the mid 40s along the Connecticut coastline. And I expect these temperatures to remain fairly steady this afternoon. No real significant warming anticipated with a cloud cover and another round of rain that's going to be moving through. So our city cam from atop Hartford 21 looking toward the north, you can see obviously overcast conditions, and there is going to be a chance for some late day partial clearing. But again, one more round of some showers to work through before we can even talk about that happening. Our city cam from New Haven checking out the scene there in the Elm City, and also from southeast Connecticut from New London, you can see the wet conditions there with the overcast sky. So our early warning pinpoint Doppler just showing some lighter sort of isolated rain right now moving throughout the eastern half of the state, east of 91 there on Enfield, also around Ellington and Summers, also Norwich, Uncasville, southeast Connecticut there throughout portions of New London County. So all the rain from this morning that was rather heavy, and notice all the snow to our north, the snow working away from us. And as we look off to our west through the Hudson Valley throughout northern New Jersey, still another round of some wet weather that's going to be rotating through. But once that moves out, then we could possibly see some of that late day clearing. You can see this counterclockwise spin here, this area of low pressure that's going to be moving right across southern New England. Behind that, a little bit breezy, but trending much brighter and drier as we head through the holiday weekend. High pressure is going to build in and dominate for Thanksgiving and all the way through the holiday weekend. So in our early warning futurecast, tomorrow's weather today showing some scattered showers around as we head through the later afternoon hours. Could again see some late day clearing. And then as we go into the overnight hours, that's when the clearing will take place in earnest. And then for your Thanksgiving, notice as the clock moves forward in time, not much happening, looking like a sunny day for Turkey Day. On our early warning 7-day forecast, tomorrow we go down to the mid and upper 20s to start, 49 by the afternoon, which is basically right on track, what is considered normal or average for this time of November. Then Friday, if you're going to head out early to do some shopping for Black Friday, it's going to be chilly to start, but 57 by the afternoon, near 60 on Saturday. We'll see an increase in cloud cover on Sunday. Temperatures then still above normal. More rain in here by Monday and Tuesday of next week. For shoreline highs, we're looking at lower to mid 50s all the way through Saturday and Sunday. That's the latest from the Early Warning Forecast Center.